Hello everyone, it's Freename on YouTube, and this is a quick video on how to factory reset this BT Whole Home Wi-Fi Premium box or disc. In this instance it's been configured and part of an existing network, and we need to reuse it on a different network. To factory reset it, on the back there is a reset hole to the right of the two network sockets. I'm going to use an unbent paper clip, and I'll let you know when I'm going to press the button and show you the lights on the front and what they do when you press it. So I'm going to start pressing it now. It's been 10 seconds. I'm going to go for 15 seconds and then let go. The light goes out and the device will now reboot. So it'll do that, it'll go pink and purpley, then it will start flashing. So hopefully the video has been helpful to you. If it has, it'd be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.